The Kita Kita Pretty-Cure a la mode group transformation finals always screws up. Part 3 of Pretty-Cure always screws up. Hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe for more videos. Cut, it's not supposed to be sideways. Take 2. Cut, it's not supposed to have a monster voice. Take 3. Cut, that's a wrong filter and it's not supposed to have a computer voice. Take 4. Cut, it's not supposed to have a black and white filter. Are you really that dumb? Are you really that dumb? Are you really that dumb? Take 5. Cut, it's not supposed to be really fast. You're just making my day even worse and worse. Take 6. Cut, it's not supposed to have a high-pitched voice. I dreamed of the expectations, but you did the reality. Take 7. Cut, this is not Butterbean's Cafe. You literally did your training for this a few weeks ago. Alright. Take 8. Cut, this isn't Shimmer and Shine. It's really easy for you to get it right. Take 9. Cut, you are not supposed to put every picture you can think of at one time. Okay, this is the final take. Get it right or I'm quitting my job. Take 10. Yes! 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 Thank you very much for not screwing it up. Thank you.